Paul's going to work on clearing the front and rolling the hinds along with a little bit of a centered circle. So Paul, when you're doing this, I would shorten up that lead rope at first. Right now, Paul's never done this and Yuno's never done this. Well, I take it back. Paul's done it with trained animals. But with Yuno not having done this, he's going to need the ability to direct them. There. Good. Now release that pressure. That was the first time. Right now, Paul's just working on petting him with that flag. The flag is an extension of our arm. We don't want him to be afraid of it. And with clearing the front, Yuno's left leg was forward. He did a really good job. You could ask him to go in a circle from there, Paul. If he comes in at the shoulder, you're going to put the flag up by his shoulder. And you don't want to walk backwards when you're doing this. Good. Ask him to keep going. If you need to tap him on the butt, you'll tap him on the butt. There, stop the pressure. Good job. Now you're walking backwards, Paul. You don't want to walk backwards, okay? You always want to be going forward.
Like that?
Yep, that's really good. That's exactly what you want it to look like.
Thanks for watching. You should like and subscribe. Yuno also says you should like and subscribe for us.
All right, now Paul's going to try to roll the hinds. And the goal is for that inside leg, the one that's close to you, the hind, to go in front of their other back leg, and for the front leg to pivot. There, that was great. Good job. Got Daphne in the, or Velma in the background, learning how to be tied up. While we're working with Yuno. Good boy. Good boy. He seems pretty comfortable. Nice job, Paul. Good job. Good.
He's a little bit awkward for me to get on him.
But I will try. Sitting upright on Yuno. Good job.
Thanks. There, that's better. He moved and I just moved to walk forward.
I'm going to take a step.
There. Alright. This time you think we should go...
Yeah, go ahead, try it. He seems pretty fun.
Alright, let's see, Yuno. We allow this? He is allowing it.
Alright, you ready for me to have him take some steps?
Yeah.
Alright, come on. Yuno's first time having somebody upright on his back. Good boy. Good boy.
He's not wobbly.
Good job. Good job.
Thanks for watching. You should like and subscribe. Yuno also says you should like and subscribe for us.
Good job. Oh. He moves a little bit. Yeah, you were kind of spaz-like, but that's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay. I'll swing his leg over to see if Yuno can accept that from his right side. And do a good job. Whatever you're ready, you can. Good boy. Good boy, Yuno. All right. We'll take some steps. Good. Come on. I'm not going to pull him. I'm going to go as fast as he's willing to go or as slow as he needs to go. His foot just hit that mounting block and he didn't freak out. That's good. Are you a good boy, huh? That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Yeah. Yuno was brought home at the end of September, so we've not even had him for 3 months. Now there's still a lot of stuff he needs to learn before he's truly a riding donkey. These are just, you gotta keep it fun, right? Okay, now on this one, Paul, I'm gonna have you get off on his right side instead of his left, because we wanna learn.
This side.
That's correct. The opposite of what you would normally do. So the correct side to mount from is the left.
Can I put my foot in the stirrup for that?
Yeah, for a second, just to get yourself over your back.